The diagram shows a square PQRS and a right-angled triangle PST. The area of the square is 50 centimeter square. Calculate the length of PT. Okay, so this is the length that we are trying to find out. And this is a side of a right-angled triangle PST. I can find out the value of PT if I knew TS and PS both. I know the distance from P to S, but I do not know the length from P to S. So first of all, I'll need to figure out how to calculate the length of PS. Only then I'll be able to calculate PT. What is PS? PS is a side of a square. This is PS. All the sides of the square are going to be equal. Can I find out this length? So yes, I should be able to find out the length because I am given the area of the square. The area of this square is given to me, which is 50 centimeter square. And as we all know, area of a square is equals to length multiplied by length, L square, which is equals to 50. In order to find out the value of L, I might take the square root. Let's take it. Let's take the square root, okay? So this becomes square root of 50. I'm just keeping it as square root of 50. I'm not converting it into decimal. So all the sides of the square are going to be square root of 50. So let me mention it. Let me remove this, and this side is square root of 50. This side is also square root of 50. This one is also square root of 50. And in the similar way, this is also square root of 50. I only needed PS. I needed PS so that I can find out the length of PT. Now, if I look at the triangle PST again, I have the hypotenuse, I have, let's call it opposite, and I only have to find out the length of PT. I'll use Pythagoras theorem to find out the length of PT. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is square root of 50. So I'll say square root of 50 square equals to adjacent square plus opposite square or base square plus perpendicular square, whatever. Base is square root of 34 square, and opposite, let's say, is PT square. I can get rid of these squares. This is 50 is equals to 34 plus PT square. I'll move this 34 to this side. 50 minus 34 is equals to PT square. 50 minus 34 is 16. So I can say 16 equals to PT square, or I'll write PT square equals to 16. This is the value of PT square. In order to get rid of this square, I'll take square root on both sides. This square will be cancelled with this one. PT is equals to 4 centimeter.